Knott's Network. Tim here. I am back at Knott's Berry Farm again for weekly updates for y'all. And yeah, let's see what's going on here. It's off season now. The park's open from 10 to 6. It's a short little off season. The park's not super busy. And yeah, maybe I'll get on a ride or two. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for joining me and let's get into it. Look who's out greeting guests this morning. Ritos. Oh, short off season indeed. I might even go on Ghost Rider. It's a nice off-season day. We have about 2 weeks of this until it starts getting busy again after the peanut celebration. Ghost Rider had a decent line and I really just want to get an update for y'all. If there's no line, like if it was a walk-on, I would have just gone on it, but I'm just trying to get an update for y'all. And it looks nice here. Nobody around. Blacksmith is blacksmithing. Watch out for flying sparks. Wonder what I should eat today. Mystery Lodge. Man, I love it when the park's like this. I can run free. Hello? Oh. I was gonna say, is nobody in line for Pony Express, or is it even open yet? Oh no, it's open. It looks like they're clearing out. They're already starting construction over there. Those are old soda fountain drinks dispensers. I haven't been on Pony in such a long time. I almost want to go on it. You know what? No, like I said, no line. I'm going on it. The backside of Hollywood Hits. This is all going to change dramatically over here in the next few months. We'll be keeping an eye on it for sure. I think I can go out this way. Yeah? Yes, I can. That was fun. I haven't been on Pony Express in a while. I gotta get situated though. Oh, the walls extend all the way over to the doors on the lower entrance to the Walter Knott Theater. Check out all this. They're working today. Let's get an ultra wide of everything. Yeah, it looks like they're clearing out stuff today. This is gonna be awesome. I am looking super excited to this. Super excited for this one. Restrooms are closed, obviously. The area music's even louder today because nobody's around. There's also some walls up over here. I wonder what's going on over yonder. Let's see. Can't really see much. There's no little peek holes going on. There is a little hole for the door. It extends all the way back there. Wonder what's going on. I might have to get on the train or the goose and see if I could see. But yeah, interesting. Sorry, we're closed. Theming, that's what it is. Boysen Bear is inside the factory store right now. He's messing around with the staff members. It's hilarious. Oh, such a nice day. Right. Ooh, there's no line for hang time too. I may have to go on it because of accelerator's closed. I swear I'm never gonna get back on her. I have not been on it since the new paint, guys. Oh well. One day, she's not going anywhere. She's almost 20 years old. January 22nd. 20 years old. Doing the hang time. Because you know what? There's no line. There's only 2 people on that train right there. It's all quiet. See, roller coasters are pretty quiet. It's the riders that make them loud. But yeah, I just got off hang time. Good times. Good times. Loud. It's even louder when nobody's here. Dang it, accelerator. I really wanted to go on it today. Oh well. Next time, baby. Cool, one of the trains are chilling here. Usually they're not chilling over here when it's closed. Cool. Got a guy working on it right now. Awi mawe, awi mawe. Horticulture, planting new plants. I love the flowers. Log ride is down for refurb right now. Hey, look at the seagulls up there. That's funny. The galloping goose is out. Peanut celebration decorations at Cordy's Corner windows. Cute balloons and whatnot. I'm hoping they add more things than just pizza. I'm hoping they add like Italian meatball sandwich. Ooh. Spaghetti. Fettuccine. Caesar salads. All things Italian food, please. I love Italian food. I'm part Italian. So I'm totally looking forward to this because it looks so nice. Look at, okay, Pizza Pie Factory. That's what they're going to call it. And Boysen Brewery. It looks like they're going to do mobile order. You can see it right there. It's hard to tell, but it's there. I'm willing to bet the bathrooms will be relocated. Or they might just get rid of them altogether. We'll see, right? Exciting. There's Deadwood. Trouble. Troubles. There's nobody in line for Silver Bullet. Oh, Silver Bullet, I must come. I might have to go on it real quick. Ah, Silver Bullet's down right now. Oh well. Go to Fiesta Village. Zoom. I don't think it's like closed yet. They said they reopened it. They posted yesterday that they reopened it. There's some guys up there, so maybe it'll open later. Hopefully I can get on it again. I totally thought Sunday was my last rides before the refurb, but how cool is that? They're giving y'all extra chance to ride on it. Cool. Oh, there goes Zoom. Maybe. Whoa, it's just doing some reset stuff. Whoa, I've never heard it reset. She ran. Bob pushed her. Second cycle test was announced. I might be able to ride it today before I leave. sounds Montezuma's Revenge makes are iconic noises. You could hear it without anybody on. The stage is getting set and ready. Painters at work. Camp Snoopy stage. Theater. Ooh, nobody's in line for Sidewinder. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Trying to kill some time anyways. I want to get that Boardwalk BBQ again. Ongoing gag. Haven't been on this one in a while.
Welcome to Sierra Sidewinder. Sit back, hang on tight, enjoy your ride. To my guests waiting in line, be advised you will not be boarding this train, but the very next one.
Coming for you, Silver Bullet.
Clear. Dispatch.
Yeah, I just got a Silver Bullet. I'm gonna head over to Zoom now, get some food, and then probably head home to make this vlog for y'all. I am attempting the front row. 4 cycles to go.
All clear. Dispatch.
What's wrong? I only gotta wait 1 or 2 more cycles.
Please remove them and put down the stairs. Thank you. And put them in a secure place, such as a popular purse. Once you step out of the
There's
car
Pop.
or all new cycles and exit directly down the stairs. Thank you. When the gates open, please step carefully into the car in front of you. Please place all loose articles. Please place all loose articles, including hats, purses, packages, stuffed animals, and cameras, to your right, beyond the yellow area.
Just got finished riding Zoom in the front row. Whoa, that was intense. It's been a long time. I normally sit in the back row, but front was fun. Now I'm gonna go get some food. Boardwalk BBQ, I'm coming for you. Quiet over here without the log ride running. No water flowing. Log ride usually closes during this time of year for its yearly maintenance upkeepage. like this shirt. Check this out. Today, the ghost town in Calico Railroad is 70 years old. Opened up January 12th, 1952. 70th anniversary. They have 70th anniversary shirts inside the Ghost Town General Store. And they also have Ghost Town 80th anniversary t-shirts. These are brand new. New items. Normal drinks are back. I actually came to the 60th anniversary Golden Spike ceremony 10 years ago. I was here. Wow. Time flies. Goose is out today though. Happy 70 years, Ghost Town Calico Railroad. Hello, Liz. Eugene! How have you been, man?
Hey, how's everything
It's been a while. Yeah, Eugene here is the OG follower. He's been a part of Knott's network since the beginning. He's down at the Geo shop. You guys should come check it out.
Awesome, thank you very much. Thank you.
Uh-oh, there's trouble. Trouble's lurking around.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm making my way back to my car and I brought me some food to go again, the meatballs. I'm obsessed with them. I have no problem taking the food home. It's really good still, and I really don't feel like eating at the farm by myself. I've done it multiple times, but it's not my most favorite thing to do at a theme park, eat by yourself. But it's all good. I got the food, it's yummy, it still tastes good when I'm at home, and I could eat Knott's Berry Farm food while I edit. Also, I got boysenberry punch. Yummy. I can't wait. I'm thirsty. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's update vlog. Super excited about the memory lane changes with the Hollywood Hits old pizza location. Now going to be called Pizza Pie Factory and Boysen Brewery. That's a handful for me. But anyways, thanks so much for joining me on this journey, guys. There's Knott's in the background. It's in the nice quiet parking lot. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and that bell to get notified every time I post a new video or we go live. And yeah, we post new videos every week for Knott's Berry Farm updates and whatnot. Huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom and Albert. Thanks so much, guys. I'm Tim. See you next week.